My name's Sharon McLean. I work for Wheel Wash Limited. I'm the head of support services and HR. So when I joined the group, I wanted to share the support of other HR leaders and not feel isolated in my role, gain the benefit of other people's knowledge, and just to be able to share. We've all got the same issues, and it's just being able to share them and knowing that everybody else is doing the same as what you're doing.
My name's Sarah Carr. I work at a company called Carr's Pasties. The valuable aspects are just being with other professional people, listening to what's working well for them, what's not working so well, sharing and problem solving.
So I'm Pam Pinder from Ely Advanced Technologies. We're based in Nelson in Lancashire. I have seen confidence grow in both myself and members of the group, and confidence to tackle some of the bigger issues as they arrive, because you know you've got that network around you. To be able to share your own knowledge and experience with other members, both in our peer group sessions and out of the sessions as well, where we've built a great rapport, network, and can support each other, not just with advice, but with documents, policies, procedures, and whatever really people need, everybody's willing to share.
It's been valuable because HR is quite a lonely world, or can be a lonely world. The value is it provides a safe place for people in the HR world, HR leaders, to be able to share and not feel alone.